Before we talk about the business side of furnishing, I want to know the person first. तो आज हमारे साथ हैं मिस्टर संदीप अग्रवाल, फाउंडर एंड ओनर ऑफ रौनक फर्निशिंग. Welcome, Mr. Sandeep Agarwal, to Your Story by Lakshika Vaid.
Thank you, Lakshika.
So, what made you bring to this industry and what made you stay?
मुझे हमेशा से ही क्रिएटिव काम करना पसंद था. मुझे लगता है कि सुंदर डिज़ाइन खाली स्पेस को ही सुंदर नहीं बनाता, बल्कि क्लाइंट्स लोग के कंफर्ट और लाइफस्टाइल को भी इम्प्रूव करता है.
Definitely.
तो शुरू से ही मेरे को क्रिएटिव करने का पसंद था. मैंने अपना बिजनेस स्टार्ट किया था एज ए फर्निशिंग बिजनेस, और अभी तक मैं फर्निशिंग बिजनेस भी करता हूँ. लेकिन 2007 में मैंने अपना इंटीरियर्स का क्वालिफाइड किया, क्योंकि आई वांट टू लर्न समथिंग मोर. आई वांट टू गो बियॉन्ड माय फर्निशिंग बिजनेस.
Of course, upgrading yourself.
हाँ, बेसिकली आई हैव गॉट द नॉलेज अबाउट ऑल द प्रोडक्ट.
All right, great.
एंड इस इंडस्ट्री में मेरा इंटर करने रहने का ये है कि क्लाइंट को जब मैं खुश देखता हूँ, सेटिस्फेक्शन देखता हूँ, और उसके जब चेहरे में हंसी देखता हूँ, तो उसके जब ड्रीम स्पेस के जब रियलिटी में कन्वर्ट हो जाती है, तो वो मेरे को बहुत खुशी देता है. इसलिए मैं इसमें रहना पसंद करता हूँ, क्योंकि एवरी प्रोजेक्ट गिव टू क्रिएट अ न्यू एंड मीनिंगफुल एंड स्पेस.
All right. So he is the one who brings your dream into reality. तो संदीप जी, अक्सर मैंने ऐसे देखा है, कोलकाता being a price sensitive market, people spend a lot behind properties, bungalows, flats. But when the matter comes to interior, furnishing, वो थोड़ा compromise कर जाते हैं, या उन्हें ऐसे लगता है that's a sensitive topic. So how do you convince your clients to, spend justified amount for their properties?
एज फार एज इन्वेस्टमेंट इज कंसर्न, चाहे आप कितना भी कॉस्टली फ्लैट्स ले लीजिए, चाहे बंगलोज ले लीजिए, अनलेस एंड अनटिल यू डिज़ाइन डू द इंटीरियर डिज़ाइनिंग, यू कांट एड वैल्यू टू देयर इन्वेस्टमेंट.
Yes.
You have to do the proper interior designing, proper space planning, so to add the comfort and to improve your lifestyle. As far as client is concerned, I try to understand their view, what they want. First of all, they have invested a lot in the flats and in the bungalows, but to add the value to their investment, I have to give something, a beautiful design, a beautiful space planning, so that it can add more addition to their investment.
Yes, absolutely.
So for that, I always try to understand their customers' view, what they want, what aesthetic value they want to add to their investment.
And how do you justify the budget, their expectation?
The budget, I always try to understand their budget, and every budget is a good budget for me. So for that, I try to understand their view, what they want in their children's room, what they want in their master bedroom, and as per their budget, I try to explain them that this is the things we can give it to them.
All right.
Recently, I've done one of the projects in which the client has got the good budget. I have got the material from the China and France, just to make their investment much more value addition to their investment.
That's so great. So as far as the Ronak Furnishing is concerned, it's not only about furnishing, it's about his knowledge regarding the interior and the turnkey projects, where under one roof you are getting the products from not only all over the India, rather overseas also. So this is what the Ronak Furnishing does to their client. So Sandeep ji, the difference between the taste and the buying habit of the Kolkata people in comparison to the other metro cities, आपको क्या difference समझ में आता है यहाँ पे?
ऐसा है लक्षिका जी, I'm into this business from the last 20 years.
Okay.
And I born and brought up in Calcutta. I can understand my customers very well, Calcuttans customers very well.
Perfect.
आप क्वालिटी वाइज अगर बोले और अगर टेस्ट वाइज अगर डिस्कस करें, यहाँ पे क्लाइंट्स का टेस्ट बहुत प्रीमियम क्वालिटी का है. बट व्हेन वी कम टू द प्राइस रेंज, they take some decision, but when they take the decision, they are very much comfortable with that.
All right.
They are not backing up for, I don't want this thing, that thing. They are very much comfortable with that.
Perfect. So as far as the Kolkata people are concerned, I also believe in the same thing. Of course, they need the premium quality, but of course, they use their brain thoda zyada. Yes. One more very interesting question that I would like to ask you. Have this Instagram, Pinterest, this social media have given impact to your industry, the taste of Kolkata people, or they still feel the old taste? How do you rate that?
लक्षिका जी, ये बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन आपने किया है कि आज के डेट में पिंटरेस्ट और ये सोशल मीडिया, इट हैज़ अ ग्रेट इम्पैक्ट इन आवर बिजनेस. Whenever they comes to our showrooms or whenever it's related to my interiors part, I always try to understand. They come with the taste कि I want such and such type of designs, I want this type of fabric, this type of interiors, I want it. So it's very much become easier for me to understand their taste and
Yeah.
accordingly I can show them. मैं उसके हिसाब से उनको दिखाता हूँ कि जिससे कि clients भी satisfied होते हैं. They go very happily with that कि they are getting the same product in my showroom and as well as got the same interiors they want it.
All
So
right.
I always try to match with that their taste.
And then how do you, I mean, expand your business not only in Kolkata? Is there
या
any?
मैंने बिजनेस अपना इंटीरियर्स मैंने बेंगलोर में भी काफ़ी किया है और मैंने अपने अभी फर्निशिंग्स के डिमांड्स मेरे रांची, दुर्गापुर, आपका रानीगंज, सब जगह से आते हैं. फर्निशिंग्स के डिमांड्स बहुत आते हैं जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ दिस सोशल मीडिया.
Wow.
और नॉट ओनली दिस, आपको अच्छा सुनने में लगेगा कि मैंने नीदरलैंड तक में मेरी सप्लाई किया जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ दिस सोशल मीडिया.
Oh, that's amazing. You are not only restricted to Kolkata, you have expanded to several
Yeah.
cities and of the country, and now
Exactly.
you have done the overseas work also.
Exactly.
That's lovely. Sandeep ji, share me about some of your new projects. ऐसा जो आपने कुछ recently आपने क्या बनाया है, कहाँ बनाया है?
Yeah, recently I have hand over the two of my projects in the month of April. The one of the project is totally in the modern basis and the second one is totally in the basis of the aesthetic value.
Okay.
Let me discuss it with you. The one of the flat in how I have designed, how I have understood my customer view. The customer was very much free to me. That told me that to design is as per yourself, but I want something modern and something totally unique. One of the mother's room I have designed it on the Rajasthani base. That very beautifully I have crafted the wardrobe design on the basis of the Rajasthani style.
Oh, wardrobe in a Rajasthani style. This is
Exactly,
something new.
exactly. The second one, they are looking for the daughter's room. They have got the two daughters. So for one daughter's room, I have totally concepted for the butterfly.
Oh,
The padding, the bed, headboard was totally on the basis of the pure butterfly concept. And the second is on the basis of a cloud form.
amazing.
And totally the aesthetic, to add more aesthetic to their master bedroom, I have decorated it very much with the wall hangings and the wall paintings. And I have many, for this flat, I have been to China for that also. The client was free with me to, I want something new. And he has got the very much interested about that is, he is looking for the, I shouldn't say this thing, it's they are looking for the WC on totally automated, and in India it's getting at around 1,50,000 or 2 lakh it cost. There I got at 60,000, 70,000. So the
Amazing.
client was very much happy with that, and he was so much happy that he gifted me as a token of appreciation of this thing. As you can see this.
Oh, that's so lovely. I mean, you have designed their home in such a personalized way that they have given you such a personal gift.
Exactly.
Sandeep ji, I would like to know what are the products that Ronak Furnishing deals in?
We deals in curtains, floorings, wallpapers, and many other products. Apart from this, we do the customization
Oh,
of curtains, wallpapers, even on the floorings, and you will surprised to hear that we do the customization on the louvers also. As you can see the
customized lure, you mean?
yeah,
Okay.
it's a, you will not get in any store in Calcutta. So a client can decorate their house from the scratch to top from us. So it's a one-stop solution for them.
Now, Sandeep ji, let's do some quick rapid fire round with you and your ideas regarding your interior and your furnishing work. So, minimalistic or maximalistic?
Minimalistic with maximum beautification.
Oh, amazing. One shade that never goes wrong.
Shades of off-white and beige.
Amazing. So, modern interior or traditional interior?
Traditional interiors with modern twist.
All right. Sofa first or curtain first?
Anytime curtain first.
Curtain first. All right. Plant or paintings?
Paintings.
Paintings. All right. One dream city you would like to design a home in?
Mumbai.
All right. Mumbai. A hotel that you love with their interior things?
Sahara Hotel in Mumbai.
Sahara in Mumbai. All right. One word that your clients uses the most for your work?
After work, fabulous.
And one last question that I would like to ask you is favorite corner of the flat or any home?
Children's room. Because we can play with the different colors on that one.
Yes, I agree. and one person's thought, which area of the home that reflects the most?
That is a master bedroom.
Yes, I agree to this. Master bedroom reflects the mindset of the person.
Exactly.
Yeah. So this was Sandeep Agarwal from Ronak Furnishing. A lot to learn from him about his journey, how he has started and how he is maintaining his clients and how he has adding values to your own investments, जिसे हम सुकून का घर कहते हैं. And this was Lakshika Baid, and it was your story, the podcast corner where you can speak your heart out and always think कि ये आपकी ही story है. That's why this is your story by Lakshika Baid.